What's up everyone? Welcome back. In this video we are in Fort Myers in Camping World getting to meet a new member of the family. So we're going to give you a walkthrough from a new trailer that one of our family members is buying. So check this trailer out. This is very nice. We really like this one.
No, no se abre. No se abre y no se ve angosto.
Ah, apretado. Está perfecto. Pero me gusta más el otro que vimos.
¿Cuál?
El que ingirió el
Sí,
otro.
pero es más grande, este es más chiquito.
Este me encanta. Mira los espacios que tiene aquí para... Mañana venimos a comprar. Mira el televisor. Televisor. Mira el que yo quería. Mira, ¿en otra puerta dónde? Aquí. Cierra, tiene el baño. Fíjate, pero que hay baño más grande que este. En el espacio. Mira aquí. Vas a poner el televisor ahí. Esa puerta encima se va a ver. Pero me da tanto que me encanta esto.
All right, so let's get to know the new member of the family. So this is a Coleman light and it's an 18 RX. Beautiful door, big pass-through storage on this side, and we got the steps, we got the double axle trailer, the big awning, big window, the kitchen. Then we have, unfortunately, no bumper and no spare tire. And also, interestingly, it says here, do not walk on the roof. Apparently, from what they were told by the salesperson, you can walk on the roof, but it's just for service. You don't want 3 or 4 people out there. It has a big slide out, and you'll see the rest of the slide inside. You have your connections here. So you have your power, and you have your cable, and your valves for your pump out. And so here we have the hookup for solar panels, and let's go right back out here for a second. And this is where you would stick the sewage hose to dump out your tanks. Here you have the other side of the pass-through storage. Fill up your fresh water tank, city water connection, your black tank flush, and the Suburban tankless water heater. You have your exhaust for your heater inside, shower, 110 outlets in here somewhere, somehow. So let's go inside, take a look at this beautiful RV as we walk in through this beautiful door. This is really comfortable. So you have the short queen with some really small storage under here, mainly for your stabilizer jacks and table, and then some storage in here. You can put boxes in for shoes or whatever. Really nice size closets on both sides. 13,500 BTU air conditioning, a big slide out with the sofa and the 12-volt fridge with storage underneath that fridge and storage underneath the sofa. And this is also a jackknife sofa. Then as we sweep around to the kitchen, tons of storage in here. Got storage all up in here, tons of storage in here, and just a lot of storage up here. Thermofoil countertop, lot of prep space here. You got a stainless kitchen with the gooseneck faucet, very convenient, 2-burner stove, convection microwave. lots and lots of storage under the sink. This would be the outlet for your heater. Lots of deep drawers in here as well, and a lot of room in here as well. And as we go into the bathroom, we have the slide door, so this is very cool. A lot of room around the toilet. This bathroom is actually pretty big. Decent sized shower. You have a skylight and the exhaust fan, so that's really nice. And you have this, which is much better than a curtain. Got a lot of room in here too. You have a lot of storage in here, and some storage in here, plus all your breakers. Then you have your control for the tankless water heater and the switch for the lights, and then your vanity mirror. So all in all, this RV is really spacious, really comfortable, and we have a camping trip coming up pretty soon where they can break in their new trailer and have a great time with this new little toy. So here are just really quick specs. Its length overall is 22 feet, dry weight 38, almost 3,900 pounds, and this is really nice. Really like this. Well, that's it for the actual overview of this RV. And so now comes the complicated part of having to fill out and sign all the finance paperwork. That's not as fun, but it's really fun to use this new toy. So, look who's tired. Look, from riding in a truck for 3 hours, and she's ready for a nap.
No, I'm ready to get a snack.
Ready to get a snack?
Over there.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I have to go pay.
Sí, la gente cree que no entiende.
Instalando un web distribution nuevo. Se está removiendo uno y pasando los otros. ¿Cuánto es?
99 más.
We seem to have run into an issue here as we walked around and looked at different RVs waiting for the salesperson. Jenny found an RV that she likes more than the current RV that we have. So this is obviously campsite reserve. This is rear dining room. This one does have a bumper, a lot of windows, and a huge pass-through storage opening right in here. This thing is big. But let's look at the inside. This is a 20JL. So this one has also, looks like a queen bed probably. A lot of storage in here. These closets are really big. Look at all this storage. Bunch of storage up here. A lot of storage. Big nightstand here on this side. Not so much on that side. You have some outlets here to charge cell phones and 110 and all kinds of stuff. Let's see about the storage down here. You got plenty of storage down underneath the bed. Let's see, this is the bathroom. And the bathroom is not that big, actually. Kind of like our bathroom better. It's very similar layout in here, but you have the skylight, and then you have your exhaust fan here. A lot of room in the vanity, tons. And nice size sink. Storage, little bit of storage underneath. The positioning of the toilet just seems a little uncomfortable, but you have hooks here for the towels. Again, tankless water heater, Suburban, and then your 110 for hair dryers or whatever. Nice big kitchen with a lot of windows on the campsite. So this, I really like this. I like all the windows. A lot of deep storage here. Got some more room down here. The sink is actually pretty nice size, and 3-burner stove with the convection microwave in here. But this is the highlight. This is what Jenny really liked, was the dining area back here. Got a huge fridge, freezer down below, and then you can separate this. You can open it. So that is really cool. Very cool. A lot more storage up there in the storage boxes. You have the sofa, and then the dining room or dinette right here. The base for the television and storage on either side. Again, even more windows here. And then you have the giant window in the back. And more windows here. So this RV is really nice. Oh, forgot to mention, look at the size of this pantry. This thing is huge. Just huge. So it's really nice. The RV is really nice. The dining area, the dinette in the back with all the windows, and the windows here at the kitchen facing the campsite, beautiful. The only drawback to that is the more windows you have, the more heat radiates into the RV, and therefore the RV gets hotter, so you have to run your AC even colder. But this is beautiful. Jenny really likes this, but we'll keep ours for now. Well, here it is, out with the old and in with the new. This is a little longer, but definitely a lot more room. Well, all the painful financial paperwork is done, and it's a done deal. So it's just a matter of hitching up and getting out of here. So thanks for watching. Thanks for enjoying this time with us, and we'll see you guys in the next video.